Today we are going to show you a new atomizer from Hotcig, the Hotcig Train Vape atomizer. Here's the packing and the product. Here's the hose to adjust the airflow. Totally 4 holes here. Now, let's see the effect of the crown. The crown is very big as the chain. That's why we call it Train Vape atomizer. Now we will show you how to build and refill. It has a double coil and single coil. You can DIY as you like. Refill the juice from the small holes here. You fill it into the bigger glass tank. Let's see the effect. Also, you can screw it down and make it a smaller one. Also refill the juice from the small hose. See the inside. You can adjust your airflow by adjusting the rings. Time to see the crown. Double coils. Okay, that's all for the Hotcig Train Vape atomizer. That's all for today.